Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sometimes receiving blankets are used to swaddle babies, but there is a major difference between this type of covering and a swaddle blanket. While receiving blankets are designed in a square or rectangular shape, swaddle blankets are created in a smaller shape with two wing sides to more easily swaddle your newborn.
Let's help you make your mark.
This baby essential is so important, it sticks with you even when you're not actually with the baby. During the newborn months and beyond, you'll want burp cloths on hand 24/7. Not only do burp cloths take the brunt of spit up, but you can use them to wipe milk dribbles, sneezes or whatever comes your way. 7 June 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Top receiving blankets and swaddles. Miracle Infant Swaddle Wrap. Halo Sleep Sack. Aiden and Anais Classic Swaddle Blanket. Cambria Baby Organic Swaddle Wrap. Lovable Friends Receiving Blankets. Love to Dream Swaddle Up.
Take our lead.
5 ways to upcycle baby blankets. Turn your baby blanket into a pillow. Fold that small blanket in half, sew around the edges leaving a small opening and stuff with polyfill. Turn gauze swaddling blankets into pajamas. Turn them into a basket. Turn them into a bed caddy. Turn them into car seat covers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.